Wave runners filled with 76-cent gas. Gotta get all the T's in half bitches to shake some ass. Fuck yeah! That's right, the gas was cheap in the 80s, and the women were goddamn crazy! Sitting on the corner of Hollywood and Vine, wearing short shorts, busting some bubble, looking hungry hippos, cause fuck you! We're partying with hookers with double D's, in a blink of an eye, and his ponytail slinging. Whoa, Steven Seagal started singing! Whoa! Holy shit! Is Steven Seagal hard to kill? Street song is higher than ever before. Who cares? When you drop your neck and you hit the door, no one glared. But sometimes things get turned around and no one's spared. All hands look out, here's the change of the course. Gonna need all the help that we can get. According to our new arrival, life is more than mere survival. We just might live the good life. Yes! With a lightning quick kick and his massive dick, Steven had 7 babes ready for his stick shit. We hopped on the jet skis and speed through the strip. Cause this is the 80s. You got a problem. Get bent. Hell yeah! Another badass song. Yeah! We dumped the JETSKIs cause we ran out of gas. Steven Seagal collected so much ass. But he was a cool dude, left us a parting gift. A dozen ecto coolers and some M&M's. This was the most awesome day. Booze, bitches and babes, drugs and hugs. Ah, yeah! Next song, we're gonna buy a monster truck.